Introducing the all-new Duckworth 20 Advantage Classic, a vessel of timeless elegance, performance, and safety in a sleek 20-foot 6-inch package. With a 6-foot wide bottom, it's designed to accommodate up to 6 people and boasts an impressive carrying capacity of 2,090 pounds. Whether you're on the water with your family or on a fishing expedition, this boat promises unparalleled performance and reliability. Featuring signature Duckworth elements like the solid extruded chine, tow rail, and keel guard, the precision engineering of the Duckworth 20 Advantage Classic ensures durability and stability on the water. The spacious cockpit measures an impressive 68 inches in length by 73 inches in width, with convenient bench seating that offers comfort and plenty of room for your entire crew. The suspension pedestal seating for the captain and front passenger ensures a smooth and enjoyable ride, even in challenging conditions. The Duckworth 20 Advantage Classic features the innovative Easy Arch doorway, a signature of Duckworth boats. This groundbreaking design enhances accessibility to the bow, making it safe and convenient to explore the front of the boat. Whether you're sunbathing, fishing, or simply taking in the view, this feature ensures easy and safe passage. The Classic designation refers to the standard direct transom-mounted outboard engine, providing reliable and efficient power for your adventures. The Duckworth 20 Advantage Classic is a testament to classic design and performance. With its exceptional style and safety features, your boating experience will be better than ever. Whether you're a family seeking on-the-water fun or an angler pursuing your next catch, the Duckworth 20 Advantage Classic is your gateway to timeless, legendary adventures on the open water. Embrace the classic spirit with the Duckworth 20 Advantage Classic, where elegance meets functionality.